Hello everyone, welcome to my next video on Excel tips and tricks. In this video we are going to see how to count non-blank or non-empty cells in Excel. We have count a formula to achieve the same objective, but I will show you what is the disadvantage of using count a formula in some special cases and how to overcome that disadvantage using sum product formula. So let's get started. In my data, I have a total of 8 non-empty entries and 2 empty entries in between. Let me use the count a formula to find how many are non-empty entries in my data. If I select this entire range, close the parenthesis, the output will be 8, which is correct. But this count a formula will give the wrong output when any of my empty cell within my data has unintentional spaces within it. For example, if I select this cell and add spaces by hitting spacebar, you will see the count a formula will now increase by 1. Similarly, if I do for this cell, the count a formula will further increase by 1, which is not correct because within my data I still have 8 non-empty entries and 2 empty entries, and this count a formula will consider spaces into its counts and will give the total count of 10. So this is the one disadvantage of count a formula. So to overcome this disadvantage, we need to make use of sum product formula. Let me add the sum product formula in this cell. I will select this entire range and then I will use the trim formula over this entire range to remove all the spaces. And over these trimmed values, I will use another function called length, that is len, to check each of this cell value length is greater than 0, which means they are non-empty. And this entire logic has to be multiplied with 1 to turn true or false into ones and zeros. Close the parenthesis. If you hit enter, now you will get the correct output of 8. So this is how you can make use of sum product formula to count non-empty cells in your data, ignoring spaces as well. And that comes to the end of my video. I hope you people enjoyed this video and found very interesting. Please provide your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.